Today, we revisit the stunning Anawilundawa wetlands in Sri Lanka's northwest, a sanctuary of life and resilience, as we celebrate the International Day for the Conservation of the Mangrove Ecosystem. This is where Advantis Blue C continues to grow, both in ambition and impact. Often overlooked, mangroves are powerful allies in our fight against climate change. These ecosystems capture 4 to 5 times more carbon than tropical rainforests, making them one of Earth's most effective natural carbon sinks. They also protect our coastlines from erosion and sustain the livelihoods of coastal communities. Recognizing their importance, Advantis joined hands with the Department of Wildlife Conservation, Department of Forests, Wimber University, and the Wildlife and Nature Protection Society to restore nearly 40 hectares of degraded mangrove forests here, once lost to unsustainable practices like prawn farming. A key milestone, the launch of a state-of-the-art prefabricated research lab in 2022, a space that now brings together researchers, students, and conservationists from across Sri Lanka and beyond to develop evidence-based conservation strategies. And we're not stopping there. Advantis team members are actively contributing to research by gathering vital biodiversity data, reinforcing our commitment to science-led restoration and long-term sustainability. From carbon capture to community resilience, the mangroves of Anawilundawa hold the key to a better tomorrow. And through Advantis Blue C, we're proud to help unlock that future.